A lot of people are afraid of investing because they think they are afraid of losing money. But that's not true. I feel like people are afraid of investing because they are afraid of looking dumb. That's what I think. But don't at me, okay? Like, what do I know? I'm not even a licensed financial advisor. I'm just a girl in a jacket and pajamas talking about finance. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about why I think people are afraid of investing. Hi, my name is Lou. Okay, hear me out. I genuinely feel like people aren't even afraid of losing money. They're just afraid of looking like they don't know. But you know what? I don't blame them because there's so much to know and learn about investing that it's so easy to feel behind. I mean, there's things like Roth RIA, Roth ORI, Roth LAR, yeah, S&P 500, the Lusaka Stock Exchange. There's Unity Trust, equity, bonds, treasury bills, investments, stock, shares. Like, it's a whole new language, an investing language. And if you don't know it, it's easy to feel behind. And if you don't want to feel behind, it's better not to participate. And if you don't participate, then you're not going to invest. And if you don't invest, then you're not creating wealth. Which sort of proves my point. You are scared of investing because you are scared of looking like you don't know, not because you're even scared of losing money. I mean, how many times have you lost money to scammers? Or how many times have you lost money, period? Or how many times have you bought something that you realize you didn't actually need? That's a form of losing money, but you lost it anyway. So, put simply, people are afraid of investing because they just don't understand the investing terms. Now, if you subscribe to my channel and you watch more videos, more finance videos that I make, maybe you might know some of these terms. Or you can watch other YouTubers, but watch me, okay? Because I need you to subscribe. Thank you. So there's one group of people that don't want to feel like they don't know, hence they don't invest. Then there's another group of people that really, really want to know, but then that keeps them from investing because the perfectionist in them just wants to read, research, pay for investment classes, book online tutorials, do everything but investing. It's possible for somebody to spend 6 months or even more just watching finance content, learning the terms, breaking down the investing jargon, and then they just don't do it. Like, they just don't do it because they feel like maybe they are not ready to invest, they don't know enough. And I feel like such people who are perfectionists and want to research and research and research, it's mainly because they don't want to make a bad decision. Okay, and that's another reason why people don't invest, because they don't want to make a bad decision. Like, we as human beings want to be right. And having the thought of potentially being wrong about an investment will just make you not want to invest because you don't want to prove to yourself that you were wrong about something. For some reason, people feel as if the moment you make a mistake, the moment you make a bad decision, it's going to ruin everything. Everything about your investment portfolio is going to go down the drain. But then that's not true because it takes multiple mistakes and multiple growths for your investment portfolio to go up, 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 up. The truth is, most investors and potential investors fail because they don't actually invest. It's not even about the dips. It's not even about choosing the wrong stock. I mean, that does play a part to some extent, but the bigger part is not doing anything about it. That is where the real failure lies. To conclude this video, I know it was quite short. I just wanted to tell you that nobody ever feels confident and ready to start investing. But the secret is confidence comes after you invest. So I really hope you take these points into consideration. But even if you don't, that's fine, because what do I know? I'm just a girl in a jacket, in my pajamas, talking about finance. I'll see you in my next video.